Do you know many people are having trouble with identifying car dashboard icons? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Understand alert. The wrench icon alerts you that scheduled maintenance is due on your Honda Pilot soon. Step 2. Plan maintenance. Plan a maintenance appointment promptly to keep your vehicle in optimal condition. Step 3. Utilize system. This icon works with the maintenance minder system, which uses driving data to indicate service needs. Step 4. Check messages. Check for messages on your display noting which maintenance tasks require attention. Step 5. Reset system. After completing maintenance, reset the system to clear the wrench icon. After these steps, you will confidently handle the wrench icon on your dashboard. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Honda users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.